So this is my reserve ticket. It says game and watch it. Super Mario Bros. Which, in more proper English, that's game and watch Super Mario Brothers. So the limited edition 35th anniversary Super Mario Brothers Game and Watch. I'm going to go pick it up. I reserved this thing back in September, and it's out today, November 13th. We're going to go to the store. We're going to pick it up. We're going to take it home, and we're going to check it out. All right, we're home. Let's do this unboxing, ladies and gentlemen. Here it is, the Game and Watch Super Mario Brothers Game and Watch 35th anniversary Game and Watch color screen. Nice little box design here. I got some scissors, but I'm starting to think we're not gonna need them. Let's take a look at the box. Game and Watch color screen, Super Mario Brothers, Nintendo. We got the back here. Super Mario Brothers comes with the original Super Mario Brothers, Super Mario Brothers 2, Game and Watch ball, and a clock, a digital clock. I like the design here. You got the Bowser's Castle. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty small. Let's open this bad boy up. I am looking forward to this. I don't know how this opens. What is this exactly? Oh, wait. Does it just pull out? Oh, that's a sticker or something? That screen, Mario Brothers screen is... Okay, this looks like it opens something here, but... Is that tape? I definitely don't want to mess up this box. So I'm trying to be gentle. Is that tape? Ooh, I don't know what that... I don't know. You can't pull it just straight out because of this little... I'm guessing that's... Yeah, that can be cut, right? Right? All right, there we go. So we pull this out. Yeah, that is a sticker, or not a sticker, but it's on the actual package itself. Here's the actual packet, plastic outside. So you want to keep this. This is not like a throwaway thing. And then we got, here it is. Ball, for some reason, is the game on the outside of the box on the screen. We're gonna open it up here. Pull this sucker out. We got, so first thing that comes out on at least the right side of the box is the USB cable. I believe this is the charging cable. It does not come with an actual like adapter. But I mean, everything is USB-C now. It's like this switch adapter for charging it. And what else we got here? Pull this out. It's in the white. Why is that crinkled like that? This little white package here. And that's pretty much it. And then inside here, this is it. Let's pull this bad boy out. We are upside down. Bam! There he goes. It looks and feels like the classic Game & Watch. So nothing on the back. It's got the, obviously it's got the original Famicom colors. Super Mario Brothers at the top. Game & Watch, Nintendo. We got the game button, time button, pause and set. You got your A and B. Just kind of a soft button. More like a Game & Watch, less like an NES controller. And then the D-pad here. And looks like about it. We got the charger slot and the power button right there. And then the other side is, what is that? I don't know what that is. Is that a, that's not a SD card slot, is it? Because they're just asking for this thing to get hacked. I mean, that might be kind of cool. All right, let's see if we can, let's turn this baby on. I don't know if there's any, if it comes with any battery. I'm guessing it comes with some amount of battery, right? Oh, look at that. Nice and bright. Mario press time. Bam. 12. Do I have to set the time? Because it's certainly not 12 right now. Time set. Oh, we got the, you hit the set, you get volume. Let's take that on max. And then brightness. You keep pressing the time, it changes the backdrop, which is kind of cool. I don't know how you, if you hit A and B at the same time, it's flashing. I don't know how you set the actual time. Let's hit game. Oh yeah, hit game, Mario, Super Mario Bros. 2, and ball. Let's play a little bit of Mario Bros. We got like 2 bars of battery on this baby. The time isn't right, but you know, it's all good. Here we go, Super Mario Brothers. Classic Super Mario Brothers as we all know it. If you played Mario 35 Battle Royale, you've played this stage a million times recently. Alright, so the sound is nice. It sounds pretty nice for these small speakers. The color is really nice. It reminds me of a, oh crap, of a Game Boy Micro. Yeah, it feels pretty good. I'm gonna have to, I haven't played through this game in a while completely, so I'm probably gonna do it on the Game & Watch here. Let's see, pause. So there you have it. That is, well, you know what, hold on, let's Super Mario Bros. 2, I think I've played this maybe once or twice. It's apparently not that great, but I might try and play through it because I definitely, oh, the poison mushrooms, they added the bad mushrooms, right? This kills you, right? Let's see, yep. Yep. One thing that people complain about a lot. And then we got the bottom here, ball, which I believe was an original Game & Watch game. Ball A, ball B. So I have not played this before. I don't know what this is exactly. Looks like I'm catching balls. Balls. And yeah, it looks like it starts speeding up. Alright, I mean, not the most exciting of games, but It's a nice little addition, especially for it's got history to it. So there you have it. That is the Super Mario Brothers Game & Watch, the new Game & Watch. Definitely a little cool, a nice little cool handheld here. And most likely a pretty cool collectible item, because I'm guessing this thing is going to be somewhat collectible probably. Mainly because it's in such little supply upon release, and I believe it's a limited release as well. But yeah, there you go. Game & Watch. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If so, like, subscribe, comment, share, or 1, 2, 3, or all 4 of those things. And I will catch you all in the next video. Peace. Oh, it continues right from where you left off at. That's cool.